Dear students, in this video we are going to visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. There are three decimal places to be shown on the number line, so we will draw three number lines and mark 11 equidistant points on the number line. 11, that means you can start from here, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. In this manner we make three number lines, and on each number line we will mark 11 equidistant points. First of all, 3.765 is in between 3 and 4. First we will write 3 here, then 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and then 4. 3.765 is between 3 and 4. That is the first approximation. After that, we come to the conclusion that 3.765 is in between 3.7 and 3.8. 3.765 is in between 3.7 and 3.8. So we circle these points 3.7 and 3.8, and in the next number line we start with 3.7, then 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79 and 3.8. And 3.765 is between 3.7 and 3.8. Now again, looking at the number 3.765, we know that it is between 3.76 and 3.77. So we circle these points 3.76 and 3.77, and the portion in between 3.76 and 3.77, it is enlarged in the next number line, and we start with 3.76, then 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769 and 3.77. And here we get the point 3.765, and this is how we represent 3.765 on the number line with the help of successive magnification. Question number 2 is also similar to question number 1. Visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. 4.26 bar is same as 4.2626 up to 4 decimal places. Since there are 4 decimal places, we will draw 4 number lines, and here the first one we will mark 11 points starting from 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9 and 5. And 4.26 bar is, or 4.2626 is in between 4.2 and 4.3. 4.2 and 4.3. We circle the points 4.2 and 4.3 and the portion in between 4.2 and 4.3 is enlarged in the next number line. And here also we are putting 11 equidistant points, and distance between two points will be 1 centimeter, and make sure that the distance will remain the same throughout. It will start with 4.2, then 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, then 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29 and 4.3. Now 4.2626 is in between 4.26 and 4.27. Circle those 2 points and enlarge the portion in between 4.26 and 4.27 in the next number line. The third number line, we are starting from 4.26, then 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269 and 4.27. Here also we will put 11 equidistant points, and the distance between 2 points will be 1 centimeter. And we know that 4.2626 is in between 4.262 and 4.263. Circle those 2 points, and the portion in between 4.262 and 4.263 is enlarged in the next number line. In the fourth number line, we are starting from 4.262, then 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626, 4.2627, 4.2628, 4.2629, 4.2663, 4.263, and here we get the number 4.2626, 4.2626, and this is how we represent 4.2626 on the number line with the help of successive magnification.